Okay, so some of the things I think the most important thing about the skill saw is when we're changing the blade, we always want to make sure this cord's unplugged. That's the number one thing. We don't ever try to attempt to change the blade while it's plugged in. Okay. Second most important thing is this guard right here. We want to make sure that it retracts by itself. Winter months are coming. It's cold. It's getting snowy, icy. We get wet sawdust up in there, and this will stick. You don't want to run this across your leg or something. So this is also the number one thing. If this isn't retracting by itself, we need to get it out of service. Good sharp blades is absolutely important. I mean, if it's smoking or if you're having to push too hard, you're making bad cuts. Definitely, we've got plenty of blades. We'll get you a new one. What's in here for repair because it's got a taped up cord. So stuff like this we can't have. Take it out of service, cut it off, put a new end on it, or send it back.
Kick back. What are some ways you can avoid that from happening?
A good blade, like you said, absolutely a good blade. And then for example, again, especially with winter months coming, we should try to avoid trying to do stuff like this. We want to make sure we've got good solid ground footing. Put it on a sawhorse. One other thing we should never do is we shouldn't be holding the blade back like this. We never ever tie wire this or alter this in any fashion. Seen a guy cut his leg with this because the guard was sticking. We definitely don't want to be holding it back or tying it back. So one more thing with this saw when you guys are using it, again, winter months are coming. We're putting extra layers on, right? We're gonna need to make sure our stuff isn't too loose. If we've got real long hair, we need to make sure it's tied back, and just make sure our vest or our other articles of clothing aren't going to get caught up in this saw. Any power tools, we were talking about guards a little bit. A lot of our tools have guards on them that are removable. We don't take them off. Same thing with the handles. A lot of our hand drills and our hammer drills have that handle on them. They're there for a reason, to help you. Also, along the same lines, training is always important. If you've never used one of these, or if you're not very familiar with it, if you're new on the job, don't be scared to ask for training. Okay, super easy to use, but if you don't have the proper training, bad things can happen. So don't be scared.